and the depths of time, civilizations rose and fell, leaving behind echoes of their grandeur that still resonate today. One such tale unfolds in the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, where the mighty ziggurats soared towards the heavens, symbols of human ambition and reverence for the divine. Amidst the bustling streets of Babylon, merchants traded exotic goods from distant lands, while scholars toiled in the shadow of the hanging gardens, crafting knowledge that would shape future generations. Across the Nile, the pyramids of Egypt stood as eternal guardians, testaments to the ingenuity and unwavering devotion of their builders. In the mystic lands of Mesoamerica, the ancient Maya charted the heavens with unparalleled precision, their cities adorned with intricate carvings that told stories of gods and heroes. Meanwhile, in ancient China, the Great Wall snaked across the landscape, a testament to the determination and unity of a civilization that spanned millennia. As we gaze upon these relics of the past, we are reminded of the resilience and creativity of humanity throughout history. These civilizations, though long gone, continue to inspire